In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify thank you page using drag-and-drop apps. We'll start by heading to the Shopify App Store and searching for Thank You Page. You'll see options like e-Composer and Better Thank You Page. Open a few listings and review the descriptions, screenshots, and demos to understand what each builder offers. Pay attention to whether they include a drag-and-drop editor, what blocks are available, and if they support things like upsells, surveys, or custom code. It also helps to glance at ratings and pricing, so you choose a tool that fits your store's needs. Inside these apps, the drag-and-drop builder is your main workspace. Think of it like arranging sections on a web page. You can add a hero message, reorder blocks, and style everything to match your brand. Start with custom text and messages that thank customers, set expectations, and share helpful next steps. A clear note about processing times, shipping windows, or digital delivery helps reduce support questions and builds trust. Keep your tone warm and on brand, and make sure your headings and paragraphs are easy to scan on mobile. If you want to add richer content, look for video and social blocks. Embedding a short video is a great way to introduce your brand story, show unboxing tips, or explain how to use the product. Keep videos concise and avoid heavy autoplay to ensure a smooth page load. Social links can direct customers to your community, reinforcing engagement right after purchase. Place them where they're visible but not distracting from essential order details. Many of these apps include post-purchase upsells and surveys. Upsells can highlight complimentary items or offer a limited-time incentive, but keep them relevant and tasteful. The thank you page should feel helpful, not pushy. Surveys are powerful for gathering quick insights. Ask one or two focused questions about the buying experience or product interest so you learn without overwhelming customers. For more control, some builders allow custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Use CSS to align fonts, colors, and spacing with your brand. HTML can structure unique sections, and light JavaScript can add interactive touches. Always preview and test on desktop and mobile to ensure readability, accessibility, and fast loading. If you track performance, confirm that any custom scripts don't interfere with analytics. As you refine your layout, aim for clarity, relevance, and a friendly tone. The goal is to turn that confirmation moment into a confident, helpful experience that reflects your brand and encourages a long-term relationship with every customer.